Hi everyone, this is Math Genius Tutors, and today we're gonna do a lesson slash tutorial about fifth grade math and about ratios. So we have this problem here. So a ratio, first of all, the definition is to compare two quantities. It could be like, for example, like in this first problem, it's like comparing two shapes, two books, two tables, two vehicles, two chairs, and etc. so on. So let's solve this problem. So we're gonna write the ratio of 5 stars to 10 rectangles or squares. Either way is fine because a square is technically a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square, obviously. So the ratio of this is, so the first way you could write it is 5, let me do number 1, 5 stars to uh, to 10, I guess, squares. Running out of room. Then the second way, you could also just write it 5 to 10. Third way is 5 colon 10. Fourth way is writing as a fraction, 5, 10. And since it's a fraction, you could obviously simplify. This could be simplified to 1 over 2, which is known as half, 1/2. So let me rewrite 1 over 2. So the ratio of this is 5 to 10, 5 stars to 10 squares, or 5 to 10, 5 colon 10, or 5 over 10 equals 1/2, which is 1/2. Okay, let's do another problem. This time, there's gonna be a square and another square, and we're gonna technically compare their side lengths. So let's say this is let's do 6 centimeters for square 1, and this is square 2. Let me rewrite the centimeter. So this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so, oh come on, this is a little, okay, that's better. And we're gonna, so all the square is, all its sides are 6 centimeters. So this is gonna be 6 centimeters. This is also gonna be 6 centimeters. And let's say this is 18 centimeters. since you can like compare anything, you could also, it's obvious you could compare like their side lengths or even their area possibly. But we're gonna for now first do side lengths. So we're gonna compare square 1 to number square 2. So you could write it the first way is 6 to 18, and second way is 6 colon 18. Third way, you could write it as fractions. 6 over 18, you could simplify it to 1 over 3, so 1/3. And that's the ratio for this. Okay, now let's solve the side. Let's solve for the area. Let's try area this time. So here we have to obvious 6 times 6 is 36. So number 1 will be 36 like centimeters squared. But for now, let's do 36 to 18 times 18. Yes. Then 8 times 1 is 8. And 1 times 1 is 1. So 18 times, yeah, so 4, 12, 324. So it will be 136. Excuse me, 36 to 324. Second way, 36 colon 324. And third way as fraction, 36 over 324. Let's divide by, well, you could divide by 6. So divide by 6. And after that, you could divide more if you could. So it'll be 6 over, it'll be 6 over 54, which could be simplified again, equals, you could divide by 2. Actually, you could do, 6. So 1 divide by 6, divide by 6, because, let's separate that. So 54 divided by 6 is 9, so the ratio, simplified ratio is 1/9. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for ratios. And I hope you found this video pretty helpful and also had fun. Always having fun is good. You should have fun. Yeah, that's learning should be fun at the same time. And once again, I hope this is Math Genius Tutors, and yeah, please like and subscribe to our channel for more educational math videos you guys could watch. There's already like other videos, combination of videos you could watch from like grades kindergarten to all the way 8th grade. But we're still making videos. There's like this channel's relatively new, so we didn't make a video for every single grade, but we will soon. So I hope you enjoyed, and bye bye.